I am a lost boy from Neverland, usually hanging out with Peter Pan. And when we're bored, we play in the woods, always on the run from Carrot2 Vlogs. Hello, welcome to Carrot2 Vlogs. Right now I'm in my uniform, but tomorrow I'm going to carry it on. Well, it's a Saturday, but I called this Move the Dabinator. So essentially what you do, you pretend you're going to do like a handstand or a cartwheel, and you run up, and you go 1, 2, 3, dab. So you run and you're like, wee, dab. Hey everyone, I met my nan's, and she said that there were some awesome fireworks going on, so I'm just watching them. Please take your time. Just enjoy the moment of watching me and my family do fireworks.
Oh no! That was good.
Go. Go, Poe. Go, Poe.
Right. Now. Too far.
Wow, that's cool.
That was a good shot. Oops.
Oh
my god! Well, that's your last word.
Jeez.
Earlier than I thought.
Oh my god. Pool was literally full with with those fireworks we were doing because we threw them over. A few of them failed and almost killed us, but it doesn't matter. So I hope you enjoyed this little firework vlog, and see you with another vlog tomorrow. Bye!